Running a business is all about efficiency, right? That's where KrispCall and EngageBay come in. Working together to simplify how you handle calls, SMS, contacts, and workflows. With this integration, KrispCall brings smart calling and SMS features right into EngageBay. Sync contacts, log calls, take notes, and more, all in one place. It's everything you need to supercharge your EngageBay experience. And getting started? It's super easy. Open the KrispCall app, go to Settings and click Integration. Search for EngageBay and hit Connect. Enter your EngageBay email and API key. Find your email in the Profile section of EngageBay. Get the API key from Account Settings, here then API and tracking code. And that's it. Your accounts are connected and ready to enhance your workflows. You can even customize the integration to match your needs. Connect one number, two numbers, or your entire workspace. Your choice. Now imagine this. A sales rep makes a call directly from EngageBay using KrispCall. They track call details, take notes, and sync updates, all without switching between apps. It's efficient, fast, and helps close deals quicker. And with SMS integration, you can send reminders, updates, or follow-ups directly from EngageBay, keeping your customers informed effortlessly. Not just that it makes managing bulk contacts easy, just upload your CSV file into KrispCall and all your contacts sync instantly, with all the details updated both ways. Whether you're handling sales, nurturing customer relationships, or running marketing campaigns, KrispCall enhances your EngageBay experience, giving you the tools to grow faster and smarter. Ready to take your operations to the next level? Integrate KrispCall with EngageBay today and experience the difference. Visit KrispCall.com to get started.